Okay. Sticker in manual. Let's stick the degrees up to 15. Motor starting. Take off the manual. There we go. See what we're doing. Okay, we have a new location. Let's have a fly around. It's just down the road from where I was flying, but this one should be cool as well. Let's have a look. So let's. With these types of roads, because they're used for like four-wheel drive, dirt bikes. Swapped over. I'm filming on an older GoPro as well at the moment instead of the DJI Osmo thingy. Pocket. So we'll see how that looks. I think this could be a little bit better. Okay, let's just put the brakes on. Put the camera out a little bit further so we can do some cool flybys. We'll come up there, down there with some speed. Okay, let's show you guys the sticks. We've had a request for this, so we're going to put it into start recording, put it into manual. We're at 25 degrees. I need to bring that down a little bit. Let's go 20 degrees. So we're throttled down. And then we need to press this one to start the motors. Okay, and then we're away. Let's go for a little fly. Do a couple of loops. It feels funny because I've got the controller further away from me. So if I crash, that's the excuse. Took my head off. Let's try and hover a little bit. What about flip? Should we try a flip? Let's get closer to the camera because I'm probably going to ditch it, and if I ditch it I need to be able to find it. Okay. Oh, wrong button. That was silly. Okay, stop. Okay, so I just hit this one, motors stop. Very useful. Recording, manual, motors starting. Okay. Pull, 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 pull. Okay. Thinking about 10 different things at once. Okay, let's try again. So there we go, that was better. So throttle on, throttle off, turn, throttle on. Check and go in the opposite direction. Throttle on, throttle off, on. Whee, there's a tree there. Okay, front flip. Let's try a front flip. Yep, just got to watch the height, and then we get that prop wash. I think that is there. Let's try a back flip. Yep, that was better. So not really a power loops and things like that, but it's more flips. Try one flying. Yep, there we go. Okay, I think we've got those backs, front flips a little bit better. Got to be a little bit careful. I don't want to put this too much in the bush and go searching for it with all the snakes. Yep, they lost it. Let's just go up and have a look at the surrounding, because you haven't really done this yet. That's where I was flying, over here more, somewhere down that road. That's a dead end down there, which is good. There's literally no cars on this road. You can see where all the four-wheel drives go. There. See if there's any tree gaps. There's gaps up there, but that's a bit high. Again, some there, but is there any in these? Oh, look at this. Thank you. Take that one. What else have we got? Through there. Is that a gap or not? Don't really want to go digging around in those plants for the drone though. I mean, the best gap is between these rocks really. Oh. Okay, that one was probably the best for flips and turns and just fast flying and just having fun. Also, it's giving you guys an idea of what I'm doing with the sticks. Hopefully that helps for the people that are learning. I'm still not a pro, nowhere near it. I've like, what? 10 weeks, 8 to 10 weeks, I'm guessing how long I've been learning for. I've just been flying most days, whether it's a quick half an hour like this or on the simulator, and I'd highly recommend using the simulator. If you have any advice, stick it down below. I still haven't played with those rates. I know I need to do that. Thumbs up and subscribe would be appreciated. I'll speak to you guys in the next one.